it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezia and this is my corner. If you're a returning subscriber, I am so grateful that you have joined my lovely family and have returned back. And for those of you who are new, I hope you get to stay. So today's video is going to be all about the facemasksclub.com subscription. So if you want to see what I think of the subscription, what it entails, and a discount code for the subscription, then keep on watching. And if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So today I'm going to be au natural and I have my cat ears over here. So basically I was contacted by facemasksclub.com and they basically kindly sent me one of their subscription boxes and I am going to be reviewing it for you guys. So what is facemasksclub.com? Well, if you always love these clubs, you know, like book club, arts club, movies club, I don't know, I'm just making those two up, but books club, I remember like I wanted my friends to do it, but then they ditched me because they never really got back to me about it, but that's fine. But we have a face mask. Oops, sorry, I'm going to lower this down. Basically, what is Face Masks Club? Well, Face Masks Club is going to take care of your self-care, my loves. I always rant about self-care. I also have my self-care box, you know, from the Peaches and Creme shop. But today I'm going to be reviewing a subscription box, which is actually literally a subscription box full of sheet masks from the Korean beauty. So yes, that is very, very exciting. This is the logo over here. It's so freaking cute. I think it's adorable. And basically each month they send out a box of sheet masks and you can either choose a box of 5 sheet masks or a box of 7 sheet masks. The 5 sheet mask costs around £9.95 and the box of 7 costs around £12.99. They basically ship to the rest of the world as well because I checked. You can also buy a one-time box. You don't need to buy the whole subscription. But then obviously if you buy the subscription, you'll probably save some kind of, yes, subscribe and save 5% off. So you'll save some money if you buy the subscription. I also have a discount code for you guys where you can get 10% off your first box. Just enter FMC10 and you'll get 10% off your box basically. It came in this pink box. So cute, isn't it? Very, very cute. And then I got it wrapped up in this packet. It is so cute because it came with these little stars. I'm gonna try and show you the star. These stars. Do you see the star? Oh my god, do you see the star? Obviously you have to be careful because you fill your room with those stars. Over here I found 7 different sheet masks. I also got this little note which said, "Hi Kezia, great to work with you. Hope you love your masks." I think that was very, very cute. I would say thank you very much to facemasksclub.com. I've been loving Korean skincare sheet masks. Honestly, I can see the benefits of the mask that it does to your skin basically. So let me show you each of the masks that I got. Obviously you get different ones each month and they're very Instagrammable as well because they're not like the normal sheet mask that you would find. As example, this one, I've never seen anything like this. So this is my juicy bottle mask, which looks like this. I think it's adorable, honestly. I've never seen a mask packed this way. There's collagen, tomato, and it is an airbag sheet. Oh my god, what is this? I don't understand what this is, an airbag sheet. Then we got this one, which is bright luster, skin protection, appease and relieve. The lavender moisturizing. Ooh, the black mask. When I had tried the black mask, actually, I really loved it. So I'm sure I love this one. And I love the packaging of this one as well. It matches my top. This one is another tomato one. Is the Real Essence mask pack, which looks like this. And there's like tomato on it. Island Tomato Real Essence Mask. Pack contains tomato extract which contains vitamins and minerals to provide moisture and pressure and presents bright skin. How interesting. Very, very interesting. So yeah, always when you apply a sheet mask, it's always important to sort of cleanse your face before and you use toner. And then you would apply the sheet mask for like 10 to 15 minutes or however much it says on the packet. And then when you remove it, you just rub in the excess of it and then you would moisturize your skin. So we have 4 more. We have the Fresh Pomegranate Mask Sheet. Ooh, this looks really nice. They probably really smell nice as well. So that is exciting. Then we have the Real Bamboo Essence Mask Pack for calming and moisture. So this one looks like that. And then we have the Cucumber Visible Difference Mask Sheet. Fresh cucumber extract moisturizes tired skin to refresh with vitality. The sheet adheres to skin closely and smoothly to transform your skin vibrant with moist all day without irritation. Oh, I think I would love to go for this one personally because I feel really exhausted and I need a little pick-me-up. So I don't know, maybe we'll go for that. This one I think is really cute as well. Like the packaging of it is beautiful. So this is the Orchid Flower Moisture Pack from the Orchid Skin. The pack is in Chinese, or wait, there's actually in English. A cooling water sheet mask containing opuncha, I don't know how to say that, extract which blooms in clean waterfront, fills moisture in your skin and to cool down skin temperature. Alright, so we have these sheet masks. As you can see, they're quite focusing mostly like on moisture and keeping your skin nice and soft and clean. I would say even like for those of you who maybe have acne, these would be good sheet masks as well for you guys to use, because obviously it's just basically a sheet mask to help with moisturization as well as other things, of course. Okay, so I have quite the variety to choose from. I don't really know which to go for, my goodness. I'm so excited. I don't know which one to go for, guys. But I think this one actually caught my eye, the description of it, because I really need a pick-me-up because I feel like my skin is exhausted. I think I would love to try this one out. Maybe I'll try the rest out on my Instagram or something like that, so be sure to be following me over there. So I have decided to try out the cucumber one. Basically, fresh cucumber extract moisturizes tired skin to refresh with vitality. The sheet adheres to skin closely and smoothly to transform your skin vibrant with moist all day without irritation. So I'm really excited to try this out and just relax a bit. Refresh your skin by cleansing or clarifying lotion. Open the pouch and apply the mask all over your face, firmly except around your eye and mouth. Relax and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and remove lightly. Gently massage with fingers to enhance the absorption of the remaining residue in the skin. I've already cleansed my face. And now I'm going to apply it on for 20 minutes or so or something like that. So here is the sheet mask. Oh, I haven't applied in a sheet mask in a while now, so I'm excited. It's so important to just, relax a little bit.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here we go. It's so cold. It smells so nice. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. It's so cold. Oh, I always forget my nose. Okay, so I'm going to leave it now on for about 20 minutes. And then we'll come here and I'll remove it. Like pressing it in, and over here I kind of fold it so it doesn't go on my hairline. So I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes and I will be right back. So it's been over 20 minutes. It still feels so nice, and it's like, it feels so nice, and honestly it also feels like it's literally stuck to my skin really, really well. Let's see what this Cucumber Visible Difference Mask Sheet did. So I'm just going to remove it. Let's zoom you in. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Like that feeling when you take off like your mask off your skin. It's amazing. It's another pro of a sheet mask, because the sheet mask is not as messy as when you say apply like a clay mask. So I'm going to just, oh my goodness, this feels so nice. Oh, my skin feels so cold. I'm going to even rub it down my neck as well. That is basically the face mask applied. I'm just going to apply some moisturizer as well. This is my skin. I'm going to fix my hair. Anyways, we'll just leave it like this for today. It feels really, really nice. Sort of over here I have quite a bit of, a little bit of eczema, and it feels really nice and soft. It feels really smooth. Like I feel my skin very firm as well in a way. So yeah, I have no complaints whatsoever. A sheet mask is always lovely to apply sometimes, especially when it's like a little pick-me-up, because we all have those bad days sometimes, and we all have those like tiring days as well. I definitely recommend a subscription box like this. Leave everything linked down below. And like I did, I shared with you the 10% discount code on your first box, where you just enter FCM10 at checkout and you'll get 10% off your first box. So yeah, that is me and my skin. We are very happy and ecstatic. I'm just going to end the video over here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. Everything is linked down below. And a big thank you, obviously, to the facemasksclub.com from the UK, who kindly sent me this box to review. Oh god, I have like hair sticking everywhere. I really enjoyed trying this out, and I thank you so much for the lovely opportunity. And obviously, thank you to you guys, because obviously without your support, this would never be possible. So yeah, love you all and have a lovely day. Bye guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.